Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and use Claude Code CLI in your Windows. So for it, first of all, you need to go to your browser. Just go to any browser and search for Claude Code CLI, then press enter. So when you search for Claude Code CLI, you will see this option code.cloud.com docs overview. So you need to click on this. And here you can see we are in this page. So basically you need to go to the getting started page, and if you go down here you can see we have the terminal option, and here you can see for macOS Linux you need to copy this command, and if you are using Windows then you need to copy this command. So in order to copy this you just need to click on this, or you can also copy it like this as well, Ctrl C. So after copying this, what you need to do is that you need to go to your Windows search option, then search over here PowerShell. Here you can see Windows PowerShell. Click on this and it will open the PowerShell here. So here we need to paste our command to install Claude Code. So we'll paste the command, then press enter, and it will start installing Cloud in our system. So it will take few minutes to install Claude Code. Right now I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see Claude Code is successfully installed. So right now, in order to check if Claude Code is properly installed or not, you can just copy this and you can paste it here, cloud -- help, then press enter. And if it show you something like this, it means Cloud is properly installed. So now we can just close this, then we'll go to our folder, just go to any folder. So let me just create a folder here. Let's say the folder name will be Cloud Project. Press enter. So let's go inside this folder and we're going to click at the top right over here CMD and press enter. Then in order to open the Claude Code CLI, you need to say here Cloud, then press enter and it will open the Claude Code CLI. There you can see. So here you can choose which mode you want to use. So I'm going to use the dark mode. So I'll press enter, and here you will see multiple options: cloud account with subscription, Android console account, and third-party platform. So if you want to use Claude Code, then you need to be a paid subscriber. So I'm going to choose the first option, then press enter, and it will tell you to sign up. So here I'm going to continue with Google. I'm going to click here, then I'm going to choose a account. Let's say this one, or you can choose any email. So I'm going to choose, let's say, a random email. Then click on continue. So I'll just select all those, then click here create account. Then I'll choose my country here, give my phone number, click here send verification code. Then I'll keep the verification code, then click here verify code. So it will take you to this page. So basically you cannot use Claude Code for free. For free, you will be able to only chat with Claude Code. But if you want to code using Claude Code, then you need to get the Pro plan or Max plan. Then you will see a chat option for Claude Code. So yeah, this is how you can install Claude Code. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.